Healthy eating. Where are you hiding?
Ah, the quest for the elusive healthy meal begins.
Triumphantly, healthy eating secrets.
Step 1. Finding the right ingredients.
Kale, quinoa, chia seeds. Where do they even sell these things?
Step 2. Embrace the unknown.
Dramatic. To cook healthy, one must conquer the fearsome. Brussels sprout.
Step 3. Avoid temptation.
Must resist. The siren call of the fast food drive-thru.
Welcome to the jungle of the produce aisle.
Is this ripe or plotting against me?
Watch as our hero skillfully navigates the maze of organic versus non-GMO.
Ah, the eternal question. Which is the gluten-free pasta?
Join us as our chef embarks on the culinary adventure of a lifetime.
Time to blend some superfoods and hope for the best.
Witness the magic of healthy substitutions.
Avocado and brownies. What could possibly go wrong?
And now, the moment of truth.
Behold the salad that defies all odds.
Our hero has triumphed over calories and conquered the kingdom of nutrition.
Hey, this isn't half bad.
Remember, dear viewers, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Embrace the adventure and enjoy the ride.
To health, happiness, and never forgetting where the kale is stored.
Until next time, folks, stay adventurous, stay healthy, and keep those Brussels sprouts at bay.